Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 6, Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, so it is the version name, and we'll be starting Microsoft Excel. Earlier we have worked in PowerPoint, but now we would be working in Excel. So as you all see, I have opened the Excel sheet. I can tell you how to open Excel also. You have to click on Start button. After clicking on the Start button, you have to go on Microsoft Office. This is your Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office, see my Excel is there, and I'll click on it and I will open it. When I will click on it, I'll open an Excel sheet. See, I have clicked and my Excel is done. So this is now we will be working on Excel. First, I would be telling you the few common things. Like you all see, this is a file tab out here. This tab is known as file tab. After that, we are having few more tabs. Angel, make your video visible. I want to see your face. Now, you all can see the topmost bar is known as title bar. The topmost bar is known as title bar. Angel, would you like to tell me why do we call this as title bar? I have unmuted you. Would you like to tell me why we call this title bar?
Ma'am, because here we put out our title.
Yes, exactly. Why we call it title bar? Because here we write the title from the name which we are going to save our file. For example, we are going to save our file with a name that is class 6. And see, my name has been changed here and it is written class 6. So this is known as title bar. Now let's come to the left hand side. Left hand side, I am able to see few options. It is save option, it is undo option, and it is redo option. What is this? These are known as quick access toolbar. What are they are known as quick access toolbar. Why it is known as quick access toolbar? Because once you have saved the file, it is not required to save file again and again. You can just click on the save option to save the data. For example, I am writing it GHT, some anything what I am writing, I have to just click save and see over here, somewhere over here, there would be a caption shown saving, and it is done. The thing has done. If I'll close it also, then I can open it again, and my data would be here only. Okay, so this is quick access toolbar, and this is title. Over then we come to the ribbon. This area is known as ribbon. What it is? It is ribbon. Ribbon is the area where all the things are being shown. Like you have clicked on home, so all the things which are present in the home, all the options which are present in the home, then it would be not be an issue. Now it is insert. You have clicked on insert. This is the insert options you are available. After that, page layout, then formulas, anything on which you click, what you have to just do, all the things which are having would open on the ribbon. This is known as name box. This is known as name box. Where A1 is written, it is known as name box. This box is known as box. Why it is known as name box? Because on see right now here A1 is written. If I'll click on here, D7 is written. If I'll click here, H1 is, whatever the cell name we are having, it will show the cell name. So what it is? Name box. This is our formula bar, where we write the formula, where we write the formula for solving the things. For example, if I have to add anything, I can write the formula for adding also. Okay, then let's come to the, this is a cell. This particular thing is a cell. It is known as cell. Now these are the columns: A column, B column, C column, D column, and these are the rows, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the rows. So first we write the column and then we write the rows. Like see B2. B2 means B is the column and 2 is the row. And for every cell, the name is different. Like D3. D is the column and 3 is the row. Aris, would you like to tell me, unmute yourself and tell me what I have selected a random cell. Tell me the name of this cell.
Ma'am, J.
Yes. Here it is written. Just see the name box and you will come to know.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
It is
upper
J.
side.
It is J12. It is J12.
Yes, ma'am.
J is the column and 12 is the row.
12 is
Okay.
the row.
Yes. So now it is clear to you which is the row and which is the column in the cell name. Then it is the status bar. Let's see. This is the status bar. See here where ready is written. This is the status bar. It shows the status that what we are doing. What it shows us the status what we are doing. Here you would be able to see 3 sheets. 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3. Whenever you open an Excel, it shows a sheet. So what do we call? There is a workbook and there is a worksheet. Like you have your book. In your book, you are having many pages. Single page is known as worksheet and whole all together is known as book. We know your complete book is consists of all the pages of the chapter. So one page is known as worksheet and all together all the worksheets together is known as workbook. Yes, I think Ayush and Angel make your video visible. Tanvi and Viraj, you also make your video visible. Okay, Devansh, I have unmuted you. Tell me, what is workbook?
Ma'am, workbook.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta, workbook.
Workbook is a combination of many worksheets.
Very good. I am proud of you. So you are listening carefully. Ma'am can ask questions in between. And Anshika, my question is for you. Unmute yourself. I have clicked it. Tell me, how many sheets are there in a particular Excel when we open it? How many sheets are there? By default, how many sheets you get there? Unmute yourself. I think Anshika is not able to unmute herself. So let's go to Viraj. I am not able to see your picture. I have unmuted you. Tell me whether you are there or not. Okay. So I'll be telling you there are 3 sheets which open by default are there in the. Now I would be writing in a worksheet. In a worksheet, complete worksheet, there are 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6 rows. There are 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6 rows in total. If I'll collect it, see, it is moving now. It will stop at 1054. It will open at 1054. Okay, this much rows are there and 16,384 columns are there. How many columns? 16,384 columns are there. Now let's enter a data. I want to enter S number. S number means serial number. And then I would be writing the name. For example, I have to write serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to write 1. Then I have to write 2. And how useless it is now that I have to write it again and again. What I'll do, I'll select it and I'll click on this option. See, this is showing me. The option is being shown to me. It is being shown to me. I have written 1. Then I'll go on 2. Then I'll select it. I'll click. Here, there will be an option of autofill. See, fill the series. I have done fill the series and automatically it has changed to the number. This is known as autofill. I can do it again. Like I have written 1, 2. In next I have written 3. I have to write the numbers. I'll go on this, select it, click on it and write fill the series and see all the numbers are written by themselves. I have not done anything. So in this way, you can do the numbers also. Okay. For today, we would be studying only this much.